Hello, welcome back to Bus 1 Minute. You must have been wondering, where did I disappear? Yes, I did. But we will talk about it in some other episode. Today, I'm going to talk about something very important, something very unique. You all know Avtar Singh Tari, the hockey legend from Kenya who played or represented Kenya in 6 Olympic Games, 4 as a player, 1 as a coach, and 1 as a technical official. And now he has dedicated himself and he has taken upon himself an arduous task of building a deep blue astroturf at Sikh Union Club Nairobi, the only club, the oldest club of expatriate Indians outside India, to commemorate the Golden Jubilee or the centenary celebrations of the club. So this is his personal great contribution, and we buttonholed him while he was supervising the finishing touches being given to the deep blue surface at Sikh Union Club Nairobi, and the hockey stadium, which is a part of the Sikh Union Club, is called the Smash Stadium. So let's get back to Avtar Singh Sohal, what he has to say about his lifetime project. Over to Avtar Singh Tari. Hello, this is from Sikh Union Club Nairobi, where we are with the legend Avtar Singh Tari, the man who took upon himself the onerous task of getting a blue surface to the club as his contribution to the 100 years of the club. And remember, he is the oldest member of the club. He has been a member of the club for last more than 70 years. So welcome to Probing Eye, Mr. Tari.
Thank
We
you
want to
very much.
know your impressions of such a huge task you took upon yourself.
Well, I started with the project about a year and a half, and the idea was to have a new pitch, Olympic standard, but there were too many hurdles especially for the finance to give give the manufacturers to have the pitch. So we managed it somehow or the other, but the delay was because of rains. Otherwise, it would have been ready before the festival. But in any case, the semi-finals and finals are going to be played here, and I'm so delighted that the pitch is almost ready, and it is one of the pitches which is I think we are the only country after South Africa and Egypt. I don't know whether they have it, but Kenya. So this blue pitch is FIS standard, and we are hoping to have some international tournament in the future. The most important thing is that the kids, the young boys, are so keen to have this pitch and they love to play it. And I hope we raise our standard of hockey once again, and we come to the level of international standard and play in the Olympics, which we have not done for many years now.
And it's such a huge task. You did it by yourself. You have been coming here to the ground every day without fail, watching the progress and monitoring the progress. How was the experience? Like as a player, you did so many Olympics, you did as official, but getting a surface installed is a difficult and different game.
Okay,
How did you find the change?
What I did is I used my friends overseas in Canada, America, UK, and other places, and they were willing to contribute and donate money for the Astro, which was over 15 million shillings, and we needed 45, and the rest of 30 million was collected from donors from Nairobi, and they are keen in sports, and they want the youngsters to have the facilities possible to which is not available everywhere. So I'm so glad that it has been done, and everybody contributed generously and I think it's a big honor for me for getting money from all these friends of mine, the donors, and I thank them from my heart for doing a great job to lay this pitch on behalf of 16.
And this is the only private club in Africa to have a synthetic deep blue surface?
I don't think any club in Africa has got blue synthetic pitch. We are the first one, and this pitch is Olympic standard, and it will be approved by the FIH, and I think just as I said, there must be one in South Africa, and next one is Kenya.
Yeah.
Because I think Egypt they have the green one,
Yeah.
and our surface is it is not 13 millimeters, it is 17 millimeters,
That's right.
and the lifespan of the pitch will be about 15 years,
Oh, great.
and if we look after it, it might go up to 20 years.
20 years.
So I think this is the biggest thing has happened in East Africa, and I wish all the donors good luck and very thankful to them for donating generously towards the good cause of sports.
Thank you very much. It's
Thank
a great contribution and great gesture, and the world of hockey bows
Thank
to
you very
you.
much. Thank you very much.
It's a great effort you have given back to the game, much more than you have given to the game as a player, as a coach, as an official. But your contribution has been continuing unstopped, and it is now the world will see your contribution in this AstroTurf.
Thank you very much. This is because I feel that after playing hockey, we didn't have the surfaces. That time it was grass we were playing on, but now since we need Astro to play hockey, so I'm glad we have one for our generation, and hope we produce some Olympic players for the future in Kenya.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Prabhjot, thank you very much. Great.
So you heard him. He's a man. He is very emotional when it comes to laying the deep blue surface at Sikh Union's the Smash Hockey Stadium. And he will be the most delighted person when the teams, the ongoing centenary tournaments, semi-finals and finals are played on this surface. So we will keep on talking about Sikh Union Club's centenary celebrations in coming episodes. Till then, goodbye.